Fishing. Okay, where's the fish? Fish, eat it.
Where's the fish?
Catalina, eat
There's
fish.
a fish. Oh, yum. Good fish.
Ah.
Good fish.
Okay, what about fishing?
Up.
Fishing.
Up.
You funny.
Good fish.
You silly.
Very silly girl.
You silly.
But that's a good thing.
Are you fishing?
Okay, gotta go.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Suzanne has to go.
Yeah, I gotta go. I gotta take care of somebody else. I need to take care. No, I gotta go take care of somebody else.
Okay, one more fish, okay?
Yes.
One more fish.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Really want to play fish. Okay, we'll go fish. One more time. Oh, there's a fish. A green fish.
Where's Catalina?
There we go. It's a fish. Yay!
Just put it right there.
Up. Oh, there it goes.
Okay, say bye-bye now. Suzanne has to go.
I gotta go.
Say bye-bye, Suzanne.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Little kisses.
She's throwing a tantrum. Okay,
Yeah,
bye-bye.
I'm getting mad.
Say bye-bye. Catalina, look at Daddy. Where's the fish? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, ma. Catalina, look at Daddy. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Papa.